back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're making cilantro lime chicken. This Mexican inspired recipe is absolutely delicious. It's also so easy to prepare. I'm going to be cooking it on my barbecue today, but you can also fry it or you can even stick it in your oven. It's absolutely delicious. You can eat it with some corn or some salad, and it's a really healthy meal. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get grilling. Cilantro, aka coriander, and lime are the key ingredients in this marinade. I'm going to start with the lime peel. We need at least 1 teaspoon of lime peel. Let's get this into the bowl with 2 pounds of boneless chicken thigh meat. Of course, if you like, you can also use chicken breast, and if you prefer to use bone-in chicken, you can use that as well. I'm going to cut this lime in half and I'm going to squeeze the juice all over the chicken. Add salt and pepper to taste. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon each of cumin and Mexican chili powder. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of finely diced jalapeno. Next, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of cilantro or coriander, and for some creaminess, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sour cream. Mix this in well and allow the chicken to marinate for 1 hour to overnight. This chicken with its super simple marinade is ready for my hot barbecue. Cook it on one side and then flip it over until it's cooked. Remove and serve. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this delicious yet super simple recipe for cilantro lime chicken. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. I have so many videos planned, so many great recipes. Make sure that you're sharing my channel as well as my recipes with your family and friends so they can all enjoy it. And also, don't forget, do leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you, so let me know what you think. Let me know what other recipes you're looking for, and make sure that you're following me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Adios!